Hi guys, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Magbukas po tayo nito, bagong dating lang. Favorite to ni Daddy ako sa kanyang mga gawain. So guys, nabili ko lang to 150. 150 lang to guys. Favorite ni Daddy to. Binili ko na guys kasi mura lang. Ang hirap mo. Siguro binalandra-balandra lang nila. Mabango siya. Alam mo na ba kung ano ito? Isa sa gusto ni Daddy to. Hindi yan maiinis o kasi favorite mo ito. Yeah. Ayan guys, ayan. Ayan guys, parang natapon. Kasi sigurado initsa-itsa nila. Kasi yung yung balot na yun, nawala na. Oo. Talaga. Parang may hataw na rin. Dapat hindi gano'n, diba, sa mga Shopee, Lazada, ganyan. Hindi porket si seller, itcha lang. Dapat may pag-iingat din. Paano kung hindi dinodoble-doble ni seller? Eh di masisira yung mga item. Pagdating ko sa customer, sira-sira na. Masisira ngayon si seller. Dapat hindi ganun yung mga
He picks up the phone. The person asks if he is still sleeping and tells him to look at the time. Gene then checks the time and starts talking. The person reminds him that he was supposed to have school today. Gene then asks how he was to school.
nabuksan nga.
He rushes to the back to go get ready.
Ayun guys, so may mga natapon.
She expects to see him at school.
Ang ganda natapon yun. Ayun. Ito guys, binili ko laundry powder. Bango. na to, isang bilog na to.
She tells him he looks different. Gene really replies by saying he was being
Ayan guys.
what was she expecting from the tracksuit and slippers. All the students are starting to see Gene
150 lahat.
his way through.
Marami na rin.
His sister tells him he's really popular. She asks him if he has a girlfriend.
Mabango naman.
He pinches her face and says, "Don't make fun of me." He arrives at the consultation room. Senior teacher tells him
Hindi matibay yung pagkakaano ni Seller. Kaya siguro pag balibag ng mga nasa Shopee o GNT, basta yung mga ganyan. Ayan, buti hindi nabasag. Natapon na yung laman. Buti, sabong pan na ba to guys? Laundry powder. Worth, ano to? Isang timba na to maliit. Worth 150. Mura na. Mura na to guys. Sa powder. Ay, alis yan is Ben. Favorite ni partner yan kasi si partner. Siya naglalaban ng aming. Malis ka dyan is Ben. So yun lang guys. Yung papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan yun. Laundry powder. Worth 150 to. Nabili ko sa Shopee. Ayan, mapuno-puno naman. Oh. Isang timba. Sulit na to. Mabango siya. Oh. Oh, sulit na yan guys. At inanda ba pa? Gawin mo. Bango naman. So, yun lang guys. Salamat. Salamat po. Please like, share, subscribe. Till your next vlog. See you next vlog guys.